Hi. Today, the passage that we are going to read together is called The Difference Between Maps and Globes. So, yesterday you looked at a map very similar to this one in your passage because we talked about the 7 continents. So, this is a map, it is a flat picture. And then down here, this is a picture of a globe, and some of you might have seen these before. They are a sphere, and you can spin them around and actually touch the different countries. So we can go ahead and begin reading this together. Where are you? Maps and globes can help you answer that question. But maps and globes are different. Maps are flat, globes are round. A map is a flat picture of a place. A map is easy to carry. You can fold a map and put it in your pocket. A globe is a big round ball that shows you the world. You can spin a globe around. Maps let you see all the places in the world at the same time. Globes give you a better picture of what our round planet looks like from space. Maps and globes help you see the world in different ways. So we are going to go ahead and look at our questions that go along with this passage. Number 1, what is the same about both maps and globes? Can they both be folded and put into your pocket? Can they both help you see the world? Or can they show you what what our planet looks like from space? So let's go back to the story. So right here, it says a map is easy to carry. You can fold a map and put it in your pocket. So you can do that with a map, but can you do that with a globe? No, we can't fold a globe up and put it in our pocket. So, and then down here it says a globe is a big round ball that shows you the world. You can spin a globe around. Globes help you see the world in different ways. So, can we take a globe and fold it up and put it in our pocket, or can we only do that to a map? Right, we can only do that to a map, so we know that that's not the right answer. And then, do maps help us see what the world looks like from space? Right here, it said globes give you a better picture of what our round planet looks like from space. So, is that talking about a map or a globe? That's only talking about a globe. But what can they both do? They both can let us see different things in the world. So that answer would be B. They help you see the world. Number 2, this passage compares maps and globes. Which of the two is big and round like a ball? Is a map big and round like a ball? Is a globe big and round like a ball? Or are they both maps and globes big and round like a ball? Which one do you remember did I say was a sphere? Good. The answer is a globe. Remember, a map is flat. You can fold it up and put it in your pocket. Number 3 says, round globes are better at showing the shape of a place, but flat maps are better at showing all the places in the world at the same time. Which part of the passage tells us that this is true? So these 3 answers are all quotes from the passage, and we're going to read those together and then see what tells us that globes are better for seeing the shape, but maps show us everything at once. Is it A, maps are flat and globes are round? B, Maps let you see all the places in the world at the same time. Globes give you a better picture of what our round planet looks like from space. Or C, maps and globes help you see the world in different ways. So remember, let's go back up to our question, and we are looking for which one would describe more that globes are better at showing the shape, but maps are better at showing all the places in the world at the same time. Because since a map is flat, you can see all the continents in all the countries, or a bigger picture of what you're looking at. So, what do you think this answer would be? Which one of these quotes do you think best helps us understand that? Good. That answer is B because it says right here that maps let you see all the places in the world at the same time. And up here in our question, it says maps are better at showing all the places in the world at the same time. But then globes give you a better picture of what our round planet looks like from space. Number 4, what is the difference between maps and globes mainly about? So, what is the main idea of this passage? Is it how to use maps and globes to find places on Earth? The similarities and the differences between maps and globes, or what the world looks like from space? So, what do you think what we just read together is mostly about? What would you say the main idea is? It is the similarities and the differences between maps and globes. Number 5, this is going to be a written answer for you. What do we call a flat picture that is easy to carry and lets you see all the places in the world at the same time? So, which one of these has been flat? We can go back to our passage. And your answer is going to be right here. A map is a flat picture of a place. A map is easy to carry. You can fold a map and put it in your pocket. So, your answer to that question is it a map or a globe that is flat? It's a map. Number 6, what did you learn from the difference between maps and globes? So, this is something that you learned. Maybe you didn't know that a globe was a sphere. Maybe you didn't know that a map would let you see all the places at once. Maybe you didn't know you could fold a map up and put it in your pocket. But I want you to write one thing that you learned from this. Also, at the bottom of this page, you may draw a picture of a world map. So you can look at yesterday's with the 7 continents. You can look at the picture from today. Both of those are world maps.